May profits be upon you. How are you doing? Glad that you're here. I appreciate you watching my videos. Do make sure you remember to leave a like if you dig what I'm doing. All right. If you're digging what I'm putting down for you, if you're digging it up, hey, that's what I'm talking about, man. Leave me some feedback. Make sure you leave a comment. All right. And do subscribe. Now, we're going to take a look at NZD. There are no currencies named NZD. Okay. We're looking at the New Zealand dollar against the Swiss franc. All right. The New Zealand dollar against the Swiss franc. The first thing we're going to look at, of course, is the RT money meter. The RT money meter tracks the rate of change in the individual currencies from a futures perspective, the individual currency futures, all right, over a period of 15 weeks. And we update every week. And this helps us to see who's weak and who's strong on an individual basis. Now, if you look at the Swiss here, we're just going to go directly to the Swiss real quick because I want to show you something. It shows that last week it was at minus 91. And this week is at minus 273. It's one of the stronger ones, even though it's kind of weak on its own when compared to, like, say, the US dollar. All right, it's one of the strong ones, but it's ranked number 3. All right, and against a New Zealand dollar, which is minus 72 last week and down to minus 10 this week. This one's trending in the wrong direction, right? It's trending down. It is weak, getting weaker. Is this one strong getting stronger? No, it's not. All right. And I want to just briefly take you to the futures so you can see what I'm talking about. This is why I look at the futures of each currency to see just how strong is it. Look at this. Look at it. All right. You can see that we've been strong on the Swiss. Why do I'm looking at the Canadian dollar? Why? Where is the Swiss at? Oh, snap. Did I mistakenly delete that thing? There it is. What am I, silly? All right. Look at it. All right. This is on the monthly. And what you can see is price pumped up here. All right. We ran bullishly and then we ran into this turbulence here, right? All right, but what are we doing? What is price doing? It's ranging, isn't it? This week, notwithstanding, all right, we're ranging in this area. We were bullish and then it started to range, all right? Now, I also want you to see that we have picked up from the bottom of the range, and we're now we went to the top. I'm not drawing straight lines. We went to the top, and price broke market structure, pulled back up again, broke market structure. All right, and look at all the rejection here. This is monthly now. Each candle's a month. Bullish. You understand? See what I'm talking about? Okay, very bullish. Buyers are in control here. All right, and for the last couple of months, this candle just opened. It opened up with no wick to the upside. There's a good potential for this candle to flip to a bullish candle because there's so much time left and the momentum is carrying up with buyers as opposed to sellers. And you can see that we are coming from a monthly demand zone here. The monthly demand zone, even though we wick down below it, it's held. It has held and is pushing price back up. Demand is in control. There is no doubt. There is no doubt. You understand? So I just want you to know that there's some strength in this currency. All right, there's some strength in this currency, and it's shown with the last couple of months have been bullish closes and with a lot of momentum. That's all I wanted to point out to you. All right, that's important. Okay, so we're looking at NZD Swiss, right? And I already gave you the RT money maker. All right. And what do you see here? What you see here is look at the last month, the previous month, very bearish, breaking structure. Hold up. Breaking structure to the down. Come on, man. Really? Breaking structure to the downside and no pullback yet. All right. And we are in this demand. And we haven't gotten a close below it yet, but we have had a wick below. We've taken the liquidity from that low. Here we are on this one. We're probably going to take that low as well. There's a lot of momentum in that candle. Do you see that? I hope you do. All right, let's see it on the weekly. All right, we can see this demand. You see the reaction to this demand here, right? My line's on strong. We reacted there, but we didn't take out we didn't make a new high. So price just came down and we have a bearish impulse, 3 weeks of bearish impulsing. All right, a pullback, maybe. And we want to see where that pullback is going to happen or if it's already in motion. But we are breaking this demand. And that means we should be looking for nothing but shorts. So we're bearish on the monthly. We're bearish on the weekly. Let's take a look at the daily. All right. Let's take a closer look here. All right. We are working our way through this demand. And look at here. There is a supply zone. All right. And I like that supply zone on the weekly basis. This is what the supply looks like. Got a good range, nice range. And we have a supply here, a lower one. Let's take a closer look at that. All right. I just want you to understand that we are bearish on this time frame. All right. We're breaking structure, breaking these low points. All right. And we're here in demand, which is responding to this demand here. All right. This low is going to be our next target. All right. This low is going to be our next target. And I like that as a target because we're already there. Okay. And let me see something here. Let me mark that for you because I love my people. All right. Let me mark this for you. All right. Boom. Boom. All right. This is going to be our next point of liquidity. Target for liquidity. Let's go to the 4-hour. Let's not waste too much more time. Let's go. Oh, we took that low. Look at that. Dang. We are moving. Folks, do you understand what I'm trying to say to you? This is bearish. This is bearish, man. All right. Now, why is this here? Because I gave this zone a I put an alert on this for the people in Lions Den FX, for the members of the premium Discord. This was a lovely short to take, breaking structure to the downside. This was a lovely short to take, and I pointed it out while I was down here. I said, if it comes back up here, we got to take it. It came up, and I left it there, so this goes away. Are we getting ready to come back there again? I could very well leave it. Look, we already have a reaction to it. We already have a reaction to it. Now, I want you to be careful. All right. Let me show you what I mean. All right. Now, this could come up to the daily. So I'm going to leave this up here. This is a daily zone of supply. All right. We can refine this zone. Of course we can. We can refine that zone. I would refine it to maybe here. Yeah. Where the bullish, the buying started before the aggressive sell-off. All right. And it could be refined further up here, but I would start right around here where the buying start before the aggressive selling. And we see that we've already been hit up there. All right. Price may not make it back up here, folks. You know, in case it does, we know where to start looking. All right. But here is where I want you to be careful because we have a zone, a 4-hour zone of supply here. Very nice. Prices are already mitigated this one time. All right. We've already done it one time already. There you go. All right. And there is a midpoint that we have not touched yet. We haven't touched the EQ, the means threshold of this zone yet. Okay. Or have we? Wait a minute. Let me see from here. Have we? No, very close to. But if price comes back up here, maybe it wants to sweep this high and stay respectful to this the top of this zone. If price breaks that high, then we're going up here. All right. And that would invalidate this setup. But I think this is a valid setup. And what I would urge you to do, you like where I say that word? Urge. All right. What I would urge you to do is look for a 15-minute, what do you call it? A 15-minute confirmation. All right. A confirmation entry. But this, I'm not going to go there now, but this rejection from here may indicate price ain't going back up there. All right. I would like it to take that high. I would love it to take that high so we can get a better price, and I will look for it. But we may see price just do one of these numbers. All right. We may come up as high as that and give us a head and shoulders here on a lower time frame. What I want you to do is any pullback gives me an excuse to look for another short to take so we can take that low. Okay, I hope you understand. All right, it may start here and then come down. So that's it. I hope you enjoyed this video. Okay, I really do. If you did, smash the like button for me. All right, and make sure you subscribe to the channel if you're a new viewer. I want hit that bell icon so you can get notified of my updates. I gave a lot of updates last week, and that led to profits for a bunch of people. All right, so you want to make sure you catch that. All right, sometimes I leave messages in the community section of the channel, so you want to make sure you check that out. All right, I really wish you catch this one because I think this one is going to drop really nicely because the Swiss is so much stronger than the New Zealand dollar. This is going to be a pretty good one. If it breaks that high, that invalidates this setup. All right, if it breaks that high with a close, all right, just we want to look for bearish price action. And I think that bearish price action, there's a chance that it may have already started. I'm going to go, you know what? I'm going to go to the 1 hour. Oh, look at that on the 1 hour. All right. Easy does it. We might see a push. Like I said, we might not get past this high. We might not get past this high. So we might not get that that high. We might not get a sweep. I always look for sweeps first, but this might be setting up. Look for that 15-minute confirmation entry, and that's what I would be looking for. All right, that's all I can give you. I'll work it out with the members in Lions Den FX premium Discord, and we'll see what happens here. But this is some price action I want to watch very carefully. If we see some bullish price action, great. If we see bearish price action, I want to see this taken out and then a return to impulse where this high is respected. And I will be looking here for something delicious called profits. All right, a hot plate of profits. I'll see you in the next video. Check out the video I left. I'm leaving it on your screen right now. This is the one that informs you how strong and how weak the doggone individual currencies are from a futures perspective. All right, spend some time in there. So check it out. It's more than worth it for the upcoming week. I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.